In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana. Let's dive right in and get you familiar with the process. First, you'll want to locate the Project Actions dropdown. This is an essential feature in Asana for any adjustments you need to make, so go ahead and click on that dropdown button. Now, once you're there, you'll notice an option that allows you to delete the project. Clicking this option will initiate the deletion process. But remember, when you press that button, Asana gives you a brief window, a mere 10 seconds, to undo your deletion. It's like your safety net if you suddenly change your mind or realize that you clicked it by mistake. It's a small yet crucial grace period to keep in mind. This is especially important for larger teams or collaborative projects, where accidental deletions can disrupt workflow. Should 10 seconds pass and the project is indeed deleted, don't worry too much if you've made a mistake. The owner of the project will receive an email that not only notifies them of the deletion, but also offers them the option to undo this action within the next 7 days. This is your second line of defense and a thoughtful touch by Asana to help recover any critical information or work that may have been removed accidentally. So that's your straightforward guide to deleting a project in Asana, including a couple of handy tips to help you along the way. I really hope this video is useful to you. If you found the information clear and helpful, please do hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more insightful content. By heading over to my channel, you'll find a comprehensive training library of various Asana tutorials and videos. These resources could be especially useful if you're relatively new to the platform or if you're seeking to maximize your productivity with Asana's robust set of tools. So with all that said, I really hope you have an excellent day ahead. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Each interaction helps us to grow our channel and bring you even more quality content in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.